This is the story of Nucleus, a band of musicians from a far-off galaxy, from a place where music and dancing are against all cosmic and computer law. Nucleus. For many years they searched the heavens. This is the story of their search for and discovery of a place where they could be free to be themselves. A place like Earth.
Our machines decide our welfare. Who will suffer?